Hello, this is a wall oven and microwave. The upper part is a microwave and the lower part is an oven. The upper functions serve for the microwave and the lower functions serve for the oven. To warm something up in the microwave, just place it inside. Then press or click microwave to activate. Add the time and then press start. If you would like to stop the microwave, press upper clear. If you would like to clear, press it again. To use the oven, select the function that you need. If you want to bake, press bake. You can change the temperature by adding the temperature you desire. And start the oven by pressing start. The oven will start preheating first. To turn on the lower light or the oven light, click lower light. To turn off the oven, click lower clear off.